If the new combined chats and channel experience in Teams is giving you heart palpitations, I'm going to show you how to fix it really quick and actually make it work for you. So obviously we are inside of Teams, and it used to be where I could get to my Teams channels right here, and then they created the unified chat and channel experience. So it's not my favorite. I really don't like toggling between my channels and my chats up here, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the ellipsis next to your picture, and then click on settings, and then on the left we're going to go under chats and channels, and then right here it's combined. So what I want you to look at is look over here on this side when I change it. So it's from combined, and now I'm going to hit separate, and my Teams channel option is right here. So I can click and get to my Teams, or I can go over here to my chat. It's so much simpler than toggling back and forth if you are using it as much as I do. That's your super quick fix to declutter Teams. If this has saved you time and maybe a little bit of sanity, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with what Teams tweaks you want next. Catch you in another video. Bye, y'all.